Yesterday, I was spending the day up at Disneyland with my family for my daughter's birthday, and I had forwarded the email off last week to my CFO, who handles basically anything to do with finances for me, and asked her if she could try to get me a refund for a flight that I had booked that got canceled. I don't have the time to make that call, and she spent probably about a half hour making that call, was able to get the flight refunded. It was like $110. And I was at Disneyland with one of my real estate buddies who was with me too. And we were talking about this and the fact that while my girl spent probably 30 minutes making that happen at a $110 refund, if I were to make that same call and spend that 30 minutes to get that refund of $110, most people would think like, oh, that's cool, you got $110 back. When in reality, I actually cost myself money because I value my time at $100 an hour. So if there's ever a time that I spend 30 minutes on something, it's got to be worth at least $250. So if I would have done that, I would have, in theory, cost myself $140 for being the one to make those phone calls. So the key there, though, is not just that I had somebody else do it $140. I wouldn't actually save the $140 unless I was focusing my time and always staying active and doing income-producing activities or spending time with my family like I was yesterday. A lot of people get in their head that they can't spend that money to have somebody do things like this for them because all they're looking at is, oh, well, I had to pay this person $40 an hour to do this activity. But if I'm paying somebody $40 an hour, they spent 30 minutes doing something, that's $20. And they got me a $110 refund, that's a positive. If I did it, that half hour was $250 of my time. To get 110, I'd actually lose 140. So the key is you've got to do these things, but when you save that time by having somebody do them for you, you've got to be focusing on income producing activities. If you're not saving anything. So always stay focused. You've got to be doing those income producing activities, or like I was yesterday, spending time with my family.